Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah.
My young youth.
Good man.
Eh? Yo. You ever think to make the girl them mad over here, no? Cause you look like you love young girl.
Man,
Hold on, no big belly, man. It's a magic macaroni. Watch out, man. It's a magic macaroni, you know.
What magic about that?
Yeah, for this. Buy it and try it, man. This will make the girl then love your young boy. Yeah, man. It's worth it, man. Buy the thing.
Alright, now 5 bills. I take it 5 bills.
5 bills. Can go on.
Alright.
But youth, be careful. It is a magic macaroni.
So what man back? Yo, me nah yam this. Me nah yam that.
No man can eat me.
Who said that?
I may say that. Big woman thing, you will get some front. Me I tell you straight, you will get some cunt. Youth, the magic macaroni, you know. I travel through the whole of JA, helping the youth them can't get no girl. And saving their risks. Alright, so here what? You alone can see. You can travel back in time and make you get enough girl. Straight.
Oh, that a girl me get enough girl.
Hey, tough or something, brother. Every time you mess up with a girl them, and reverse time, and make you can tell them with them here.
Yeah.
Shift in the gear.
That sound like a plan.
Like a plan.
Sound like a plan. Jano, baby. Love when you make your body just rise and fall like you fight gravity. So how you look man, so baby?
Me look for your stroller cause it's not for me. Why bad?
Macaroni!
Yo, one more time.
Excuse me, miss. I want to touch you tonight. I can't get your number.
Look like a prostitute here. Who from here, so Jenny?
Jenny, you not no approach. Have to girl her name. One more time.
Excuse me, miss. How Wi-Fi your name?
Excuse me?
I said if your name is Wi-Fi.
Why? Because you can feel a connection.
Chicky, if you like my boss. One more.
Love your chocolate skin, babes. My love for you is like diarrhea. I just can't hold it in. Babes, how you get that bumper there? Bird starter parts. Oh my God! What happened to your bottom? My girl, you sit down that sugar or something?
I want something from my bathroom.
You have a sweet piece of body.
Brother, you need to deal with the girl now. Calm on. One more time. Approach her like a gentleman. See it? So just try that little calm approach.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Epic and you are?
I'm Lisa. You know you're the first person to approach me decently from there.
Right now, you see how I feel about you. It's like when I look at it and used to copy homework, you know. I can't explain it. I like that.
It's alright. Baby, better go on because we don't have to fight nobody today.
Oh, Jamaica don't want to stay somewhere and you just ask me if I have a girlfriend or not.
Watch ya.
I'm single like I hit record babes.
What you mean?
I could lizard for you, so
What you mean?
but we disappear.
So all you're about sweet, so.
There's something sweet in my pants, you know.
Oh.
How happened, babes? How happened, me though? How happened, babes? Me! How happened?
Oh, forgot to tell you something in a bridge.
Alright.
Each time we go back in time, it have consequences.
What kind of consequences?
Well, you have a small rush where you go forward by your elbow shot.
Oh, that nothing wrong with that.
I have another thing still. Each time we go back in time, your thing shrinks.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Shout out Production.
Radekal and Big Fat.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.